Our next technique is frottage. Frottage means, in French, it means rubbing. And the idea is that you're using a rubbing technique to transfer a texture to a piece of paper. In painting, you put a thin layer of paint down, and then you put a piece of paper down and lift it off, and the paper is going to remove part of the paint and leave a texture below, as if you're blotting it with some kind of absorbent fabric or paper towel or newspaper. Any of those kinds of things work. It needs to be kind of a thin layer, so I'm going to dilute my paint a little bit, and I'm going to come in here and paint this square kind of red. Let's see how it goes. I have a feeling this will work better on an underpainted area with another color over it, but we're going to give this a try. Alright, it's fairly fluid. Alright, so here I have a piece of paper towel from my home. You can use paper towels like we have at school. And I'm going to lay it down and kind of press it in and let it pick up some of the paint. You're going to get a texture. Do you see the woven texture from the paper towels in there? So it's going to leave a texture. I'm going to try blotting it with a piece of my rag, which is just a t-shirt fabric, and see what that does. Okay, where my thumb was, it was a little more obvious. Pull that out a little bit. Or what's kind of fun to do is wrinkle your rag up so you have this weird texture, and you can pick it up this way and you can get a whole nother technique. So I have 3 different looks. There's, if you look really close, there's a texture from the paper towel. There's not much texture, but there's a little bit of wrinkling. And then here, where I had the t-shirt kind of gathered up, it leaves broken and open and closed spaces. Really interesting kind of texture available.